Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have y s, the square root of sy. That is about degree number 1. So this one, that is about homogeneous. Now I will put about y equals to vs. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have like this. First the derivative of v, we have number 1, and we have dv over ds multiplied by s. First the derivative of s, we have number 1, and then we have v in here, and that is about the product rule of the derivative. So y we change by vs. Next we divide both sides by ds. And we know that dy over ds we change by this one. Now s multiplied by s, we have s square v. The square root of s square, we have s. Now we simplify s for the both sides. Next, negative v I will put on the right, and we divide both sides by this one. So v I will put on the right, and we have negative v. Next, we do common denominator. So this one, we have v plus v with the square root of v. Next, v minus v we cancel, and now we have negative with this one. Next, I will put this one go to the left, the s and s go to the right. Next, we need to do integration for the both sides. Next, negative I will put in here. So this one we know that the square root of v we have 1 over 2. And v multiplied by v with the power 1 over 2, we have like this. And this one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. So 1 divided by this one, and this one divided by this one. So this one we have negative number 1. And now we have the formula of this one in here. The integration of this one, we have v to the power of negative number 3 over 2 plus 1 over negative number 3 over 2 plus 1. The integration of this one that is about 1 over v. So we have Ln of the absolute value of v. This one we have Ln of the absolute value of s, and I will put about c. This one we have negative 1 over 2. This one we have negative 1 over 2. About v, that is about this one. So we divide both sides by s. And now we need to change v into this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.